Hello everyone, this is Patrick from English Hanoi, and today I think we've got a good lesson. We're going to be looking at 5 different ways to use the word actually. We use it to talk about things that are true, kind of like the way we use the word really. For example, we might say, do you actually live in Hanoi? We use it to correct or contradict.
So, you're American?
Actually, no. I'm from Canada. We also use it to emphasize something that's different or important. I love Canada, but I actually live in Hanoi. 4, we use it to admit or to confess to something.
Did you eat the last choco pie, Patrick?
Actually, yes, I did. Number 5, we use it to add information. So, for example, we might say, I'm a teacher and my parents are too, actually. So it's actually quite a useful word. Can you write actually in the comment section down below? Thanks for joining. Bye-bye.